So, a quick review of the latest news that I missed last day of the week. First of all, we had a Cloudflare outage that took down a lot of website and resources. Everybody that was actually bringing its own IP to the Cloudflare services. And they say this is due not by a cyber attack, but by an actual change in Cloudflare configuration, the way it manages IP addresses. So that's something, And the issue was so big, it's because like everybody is using kind of the same service and relying on a single point of failure like this one. It's a reminder that placing all your asset in a one big player is actually leading to some main issue and big impact in an organization. I do believe that internet was designed for reliability and redundancy, and that centralizing everything in big provider like the big cloud provider and so like is such a bad idea and a wrong design. We can understand from a workload standpoint and availability in a way, but the issue is like it's making the whole infrastructure weak while it was designed to be resilient in case of failure. Like if a node goes down, the routing is automatically taking another route and bypassing the issue. So we kind of, as a society, went out of what it was designed, and I think we need to rethink that because this is very wrong. One provider has an issue, and poof, everything goes down. That's nonsense. It's wrong, very very wrong. Anyway, second stuff, PayPal data breach. 6 months of user data leaked online. That's bad. I think mine is in as well. Basically, it did affect business contacts detail using and exposing highly sensitive data, obviously, from July 1, 2025 to December 13, 2025. That's a big time frame with a lot of data. As you can see in the article, exposed data is about names, email address, phone numbers, business address, social security number, and date of birth. That's just the kit you need to steal the identity of someone. So as always, watch for your online account, lock your credit if you're not applying to credit, and always watch for any digital issue. Make sure you have multi-factor authentication everywhere because this is gonna lead to more phishing, smishing, and abuse attempts. So stay aware. And finally, Amazon stated that AI-assisted hacker breached 600 Fortinet firewall in 5 weeks. That's an interesting take. Basically, one hacker used a solution to abuse credential on firewalls, but it was not like building a custom firmware. It was leading the attack and automating it with AI-based tools and using weakly configured device with exposed admin interface and with the lack of MFA. So as just to say that these people were asking to be hacked if you expose your security device online without MFA and on internet, this is just a call for criminal to get into it. So no, you should not do that. Your admin interface should be locked, reduced. You should have like IP filters or not even making it accessible online. So something to keep and stay aware. And they say once they got in, basically they use that as a jump box to get in the network and deploy more and more malware. I will put the link of the article in the description of the video so you can look for more if you want to get more information. If you use Fortigate and you didn't apply the best practice, you may want to dig into that as well, making sure you're not exposed in this and correct the situation. If I had a device like that exposed like this, I would like enforce all the security protocol, enable multi-factor, replace the credential, rotate them, and stop the exposure of the admin interface online. So I hope this is gonna help. Thank you for liking and sharing, subscribing to the YouTube channel. See you later. Bye bye.